Hello viewers, and today for you I have another eBay purchase. These are two different proof coin sets of Canadian coins. The first one cost $28, the second one cost $17. And since it was the same seller, they shipped them together. So let's open it up, see what we've got. Okay, these are the two sets I have laid out, and this set right here was the $17 set, this set right here was the $28 set. And starting over here we have a 1973 50-cent piece from Canada, a 1980 and two 1986 50-cent pieces from Canada. On the next row here we have a 1980 25-cent or quarter, a 1981 quarter from Canada, and a 2000 quarter from Canada. And on the very end there we have a 1986 Canada 10-cent piece. And in the bottom row there we have three 1-cent coins from Canada. The first is 1988 and the other two are 1989. Okay, going over to the other set right here, we have a $10 coin from Canada, and this is the 2015 Exquisite Ending coin, and it is 99.9% silver, so that's a very nice coin right there. That coin is worth about $35. And next to it we have a Canadian nickel from 1967, also proof. And on the next row down we have a Bahama Islands 15-cent coin from 1973. Next to it we have a Cayman Islands coin from 1975 and a Canadian 1 penny from 1967. And this gives you a close-up view of the first coin set. I'll show you the obverse. I'll show you the reverse. Oops. All very nice looking coins. And this is the second coin set, which cost $28. I think most of the cost was because of this $135 very fine silver coin. It's a very nice coin. And now I'll show you the reverse. And really, of both these collections, this is the absolute best coin that made the whole set worth it, I believe. coin is 0.999 silver, approximately 16 grams. Overall, I paid approximately $45 for these two sets, and when I run all the values of the coins, the total value is $155.50. So it's almost a threefold increase for what I purchased these two sets for. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. And I'll put up a chart of the value of each coin.